A few months ago, I was broke, scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m., wondering if there's any real way to make money online without being a genius or working 10 hours a day. Then I stumbled onto AI tools, started playing around with ChatGPT, made my first ebook in 2 hours, uploaded it. And boom, within a few weeks, I was making hundreds, then thousands, without being an author or even touching a camera. Fast forward to today. I've built multiple income streams using nothing but AI, Wi-Fi, and coffee. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. This is part 2 of our 12 AI Income Ideas series. If you missed part 1, hit the I button up here. But if you're serious about building real wealth, this video breaks it down step by step. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Ebooks with AI tools. Write and sell without writing. Ebooks are a one-time effort, lifetime income business. Once published, they keep selling without extra work. AI makes it possible to write, format, and publish ebooks in hours instead of months. How to create an AI-generated ebook in 5 steps. Step 1. Pick a profitable topic. Before writing, you need a hot-selling topic. AI can help. Use ChatGPT or Google Trends to find in-demand topics. Browse Amazon Kindle to check bestsellers. Focus on niches like self-help and productivity, finance and investing, health and wellness, AI and technology. Example: instead of struggling with how to make money online, ask ChatGPT to generate unique book ideas like AI-powered passive income, 10 strategies for beginners. Step 2. Use AI to write the ebook now. Let AI do the writing for you. ChatGPT, free, generate book outlines, chapters, and content. Jasper AI, paid, create highly engaging, structured ebooks. Example: if you want a 10-chapter book on freelancing with AI, ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed outline and write each chapter in sections. Step 3. Design a stunning ebook cover and lay out your book's first impression matters. AI can design it for you. Canva, free AI-powered templates for book covers. Reedsy, paid formatting and professional book design. Example: if your ebook is about AI-powered side hustles, use Canva's AI design to create a bold, eye-catching cover in minutes. Step 4. Publish and sell on Amazon Kindle. Upload your ebook on Amazon Kindle for passive income. Promote it using Instagram, Twitter, and Medium. Step 5. Scale and make more money. Now that you have one ebook, why stop? AI makes it easy to publish multiple ebooks and build a full-time income. Write 5 to 10 ebooks in a year. Turn them into audiobooks using AI voice generators. Create an ebook bundle and sell it at a higher price. 5. AI-powered online courses. Teach without being an expert. Courses are one of the fastest ways to earn. With AI, you don't need to be a guru or professional speaker. AI helps you create, structure, and sell courses in record time. How to create an AI-generated online course in 5 steps. Step 1. Choose a profitable course topic. Use ChatGPT to generate trending course topics. Check Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera for high-demand niches. Profitable topics include AI tools and automation, digital marketing and freelancing, stock market, investing, personal development. Example: instead of making a generic make money online course, create AI-powered dropshipping, a beginner's guide. Step 2. Generate course content with AI. AI can research, outline, and script your course. ChatGPT, free, generates lesson plans and scripts. Jasper AI, paid, writes high-quality educational content. Example: if you're making a 6-module course on AI blogging, let ChatGPT generate detailed lesson plans and talking points for each module. Step 3. Create slides and videos with AI. Don't want to be on camera? No problem. AI can make professional courses without recording yourself. Canva, free AI-generated slides and presentation templates. Loom, free record videos without editing hassles. Synthesia, paid AI avatars that can teach on your behalf. Example: instead of recording your face, use Synthesia's AI avatars to present your course professionally. Step 4. Sell your course on Udemy and Teachable. Upload your course to platforms like Udemy, Kajabi, or Teachable. Offer a discount launch price to attract students. Step 5. Automate sales and scale up. Now that your first course is live, AI can help you scale your income. Use ChatGPT for marketing emails and social media ads. Run Facebook and YouTube ads to attract more students. AI isn't just about automation, it's a business revolution. From audiobooks to music production and chatbots, AI is helping people earn money faster than ever. The best part? You don't need to be a voice artist, musician, or coder to start. Let's break it down into 3 easy money-making models where AI does most of the work for you. 6. AI-generated audiobooks. Passive income with AI voices. Audiobooks are booming, and people love listening to books instead of reading them. AI makes it super easy to convert any book into an audiobook without hiring expensive voiceover artists. How to make money with AI audiobooks. Step 1. Choose a book to convert. If you already have an ebook, turn it into an audiobook. If not, use ChatGPT to write a short book in a hot niche: self-help, finance, spirituality. Example: create an AI audiobook called 30 Days to Financial Freedom based on ChatGPT-generated content. Step 2. Use AI for voice narration. Speechify, free basic text-to-speech conversion. 11 Labs, paid realistic AI voices that sound like humans. Example: instead of hiring a voice actor, use 11 Labs AI voices to narrate your book in minutes. Step 3. Edit and enhance the audio. Use Audacity, free, to clean up the audio. Add background music and effects for a professional touch. Step 4. Sell your audiobook on Audible and other platforms. Upload to Audible, Apple Books, and Google Play Books and earn royalties for life. 7. AI music production. Make and sell music without skills. Why? You don't need to be a musician anymore. AI can generate beats, write lyrics, and create entire songs for you. People are selling AI-generated music on streaming platforms and earning from royalties. How to make money with AI music. Step 1. Use AI to generate music and lyrics. Auto-generates songs in seconds. Creates customizable AI beats. Step 2. Edit and enhance the tracks. Step 3. Monetize your music on streaming platforms. Upload your AI-generated music to Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and SoundCloud. Earn royalties per stream, even without a fan base. Sell beats on BeatStars or Epidemic Sound for extra income. If you're wasting time scrolling and can't focus, watch this video on screen now to take control of your time. And if you're dead serious about becoming a millionaire, this one right here breaks it all down, step by step. Oh, and don't forget to hit subscribe, or AI might take your job instead.